Welcome to the lecture of Department of Biotechnology and at Vivekanand College Autonomous Kolhapur. My name is V. N. More and I am taking the topic colony counter. Uh, we will discuss types, principal parts and uses of colony counter. First, colony counter is a device that frequently used to measure or count the bacterial cells or other microorganisms in a plate contains a gelled growth medium. Colonies are measured in the form of CFU, means colony forming unit, is precise a measurement to determine how many bacterial or mycelial cells are present in a given sample. The colony counting approach monitors viable CFUs which can still reproduce via a process like binary fission under a carefully monitored setting or carefully maintained conditions. Purpose of using colony counter machine is to determine the approximate number of cells in a sample and to count cells in a variable conditions like temperature, quantity of nutritional medium. Single viable cell can undergo massive replication to develop into a fully developed colony and given in correct condition. There are some issues while using colony counting, that is the number of colonies do not overlap, means single colonies does not measure twice. Number of colonies that contact with edges are also measured to reduce the count because of noise. Colonies of various size, shape and colors are produced during the growing conditions. There are some importance of colony counting. To determine the colony counts helps to make ensure that discharge of product eventually cause any harm or not. The colony counting machine is used in medical microbiology to measure the colonies present on the plate which using a sample like blood. There are two types of colony counters used. First is manual colony counter and second one is automatic colony counter. While using a colony counting machine, both manual or automatic, one chemical like TTC, that is triphenyl tetrazolium chloride, is incorporated to make the color or colonies more apparent. Live bacteria convert this chemical TTC to a deep red colored product such that a colorized bacterial colonies are bright as compared to the background. First is manual colony counter. Manual and semi-automatic colony counters rely on technicians' ability to distinguish between the colonies and mark them on a plate outside using a specific pen. The device maintains a track of colonies with such marking. Although this approach somewhat aids, it is time-consuming and prone to be mistaken. Following are the parts and functions of manual colony counter. First one is auto marker probe pen, which a counter pen's pressure on a colony causes a count to be registered by an audible beep and advance on a computer screen. Second part is digital display. It reflects the total count made by the counter pen and measures the colonies. Third one is lens. It helps in magnification of the colony. And fourth one is a light source which provides light for illumination purpose. Next one is working and principle of manual colony counter. A petri plate is first placed on an electronic pressure pad which is present in manual colony counter machine with a light illumination, and each colony on the plate is marked by tapping the plate with an auto marker probe pen. A count is registered in digital display by the touch pressure mechanism. This pressure can be altered based on situation. It facilitates avoiding the error of overlooking or counting colonies twice. The equipment also contains a segmentation disc and centering adapter for 50 to 90 mm plates. Additionally, added features includes darkening the background for transparent colonies and glare-free illumination that allows the optimum peripheral colony viewing, and integrated overlapping averaging tool for the multiple plate counting at a time. But there are some limitations of this counting is, first one is it is labor intensive, means totally depends upon ability of technician which carry out colony counting. Second one, it is time consuming. It gives relative low throughput and high risk of human error because it is based upon technician's ability. Next is automatic colony counter. This machine provides count of colony automatically. To effectively count the colonies of autonomous bacterial colony counter, employ a image processing methods. Following are the parts of automatic colony counters. First one is culture dish, second one is light source, third one is imaging, and fourth one is image processing. Culture dish is a dish in which the bacterial colonies are grown by either plate inoculation method or spiral inoculation method. The automated colony counter is appropriate. Second one is light source. A durable LED light source is used in this machine. Third one is imaging. A conventional artificially colony counter uses 3 to 6 magnification lens for imaging. And last one is image processing. The automated colony counter has a picture processing feature, background processing, color making and interference correction, colony expansion, area calculation and other features are provided to measure the accurate colonies, and it uses a database to make automatic counting of colonies. It relies on the principle of computer-based system, which is fundamentally composed of collection of images and utilizing any of the digital image capturing device such as document scanners, charge coupled device, digital cameras, etc. And it gives automatic colony count either by using reflection technique or by using dark field technique.